Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm SYAZWANI MAHMUD. Today I'm going to talk about how to cook or how to make nasi lemak Malaysia. Okay, as we know, nasi lemak is the factor national dish of Malaysia. A good nasi lemak recipe is not to be taken lightly. It should have amazing texture, quality and the right ingredients. Okay, before I'm gonna to share with you about recipe and how to make nasi lemak, you guys should know this recipe is only 338 calories per serving. So here's recipe to make nasi lemak. Okay, I will start with ingredient for nasi lemak. We have must 2 cup rice, 3 onion slice, 2 inches of ginger, 1 cup of coconut milk, pandan leaf, salt and 1 cup of butter. Ingredient for sambal: 3 onion slice, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of chili paste, 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice, 2 onions, salt and sugar, and the last one is other ingredient needed is 1 bowl of peanuts, 1 bowl of anchovies and 3 eggs. Okay, so let's prepare for nasi lemak. Okay, this is our prepare for nasi lemak. First, put rice in the cooker rice and onion, ginger, pandan leaf, coconut milk, water and salt and mix well. Okay, another one is we must cook for about 20 until 25 minutes only.
I can't believe the night I waste all we given. But honestly, you've gotta know that this ain't living.
And then we prepare for sambal. Okay, we must have onion, garlic, ginger and a little cup of water into a blender and blend until smooth. And if you notice, we have a same ingredients for make a sambal and make a rice. Then heat the oil and fry until fragrant. Okay, after that we have add chili paste and add tamarind juice, sugar, salt and onions that haven't sliced. This is the last step for make a nasi lemak. Okay, fried anchovies and peanuts until crispy, and we have removed from the heat, and finally is boil the eggs. Okay, after ready, nasi lemak ready for serve with eggs, peanuts, free anchovies and serve with sambal and cucumber if you wish.
The night I waste all we given. But honestly, you gotta know that this ain't living. But we can run, run, and let it burn, let it burn. You gotta know that nothing lasts forever.
Okay, this is the easy recipe to make a nasi lemak Malaysia. And lastly, I hope you all enjoy with my video. And don't forget to like and comment. Bye. Assalamualaikum.